What's up guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic Jesus teaching about himself. So in this video we'll look at the way, the truth and the life. So let's go ahead and check out the question here. It says, which disciple asked Jesus, Lord, we do not know where you are going. How can we know the way? So we have options: A, Thomas; B, James; C, John; D, Peter. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's Thomas. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we're sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.